Can you see me? If you can see, just ping hi. Hello. Is there anyone? Hello. Hello.
Shit.
Hello. I cannot see anyone. Just ping me hi. Hi. Can you hear me? Is my voice audible? If you can hear me, just ping me hi. Okay, I can see 3 people have joined. So let's wait for some couple of seconds so that people can join in. Hi Fiona, hi Deepkriti. Who else is there? This will be my first online session. Hope you guys will take advantage of this opportunity to learn online. Any more people joining in? Hi friends. Okay, let's start. Let people join in. Okay, so today is second anniversary of Creative Canvas, and I'm happy that we have successfully completed 2 years in this journey. Today, as we all are facing lockdown and we are locked in our houses, I thought to conduct this awesome workshop of Zentangle art. This is a bookmark which we are going to do today. Actually, Zentangle art consists of various repetitive patterns. You can notice that some pattern we will follow in a particular section, and there those patterns will be repeated. This bookmark we are going to design today. Okay, hope everyone will be comfortable. If you have any doubts, you can just post in comments and we will be reverting to you. Okay, so let's begin. I hope you have taken your paper, pen, scale, eraser, and you are ready with that. Is everyone ready? Okay, so I hope everyone has gathered their art materials and we are ready to go. First of all, we have to cut this bookmark and then we will design. So let's use a scale. You can take any measurement of your choice, whatever size you need for the bookmark. You can take that measurement and cut it. You can keep the shape like this if you wish, or else you can just have a rectangular bookmark. It's your choice. Okay, so right now I am taking this rectangular bookmark, but I like this shape, so I'll be drawing the same shape for my bookmark. You can go with this simple rectangle bookmark. So I'm cutting this. If you wish, you can cut, otherwise you can directly use it and later you can cut. It's not an issue. It's your choice whether you want to cut it right now or you draw it and later you can cut. Okay. Hope I am audible to everyone. If not, just ping me. This is my first live session and frankly I don't know what is happening on the other side. So your comments will guide me if you have any doubts. Okay, let's start. I'm taking this shape. You have to draw a triangle if you want this shape. Okay. I'm not cutting it right now. We'll cut later, but only just giving the shape. Okay. So now you have to draw different sections. Hello, am I audible? Hello friends, are you done till this step? If you are using a rectangular form, then no need to draw this. Okay? Okay, after that you can draw any random parts like this. No need of having this perfect same shape. You can just draw random lines just to divide your bookmark in various sections. It can be any way, however you wish. Okay? That particular section will have a pattern. Can you see? Okay, this is gonna be my pattern. Here you can leave space if you wish to write a quote for your bookmark, or you can divide this also. It's your choice. Okay, are you done till this step? Can we move further? Just give thumbs up if ready. Okay. I'm not getting any thumbs ups. So, are you still doing this?
If you don't tell me, I'm doing. If you don't tell me,
Shall I go further? Oh, what you cannot see clearly, Nivita? This bookmark, this we are going to design. I have just taken a piece of paper and I have cut it in this shape, okay, and made partings for different sections, and we will be doing a particular Zendoodle art in a particular section. I will be teaching you the different designs. Video is not clear. Oh, okay. Let me zoom it. Now, can you see? Is it still blur or clear now? Okay, I am going now further. Just let me know if you cannot see. I'll show you the pattern on a bigger paper. Okay, first I'll show you on a bigger paper. Later we will do on smaller one so that you can follow what it is. Okay. So suppose this is your shape. Okay. Any of the shape that you have on your bookmark. So you have to just draw parallel lines. Okay. If you cannot draw with hand straight lines, use your scale. Okay. So I am doing it with a marker so that you guys can see it properly. This you have to do with pen. I am doing it with a bigger marker so that you guys can see it nicely. What you have to do. You can use colorful pens also, and like this black and white pen also. Black and white gives like this effect, and if you need colorful sketch pens you are going to use, it will look something like this. This is also one of the Zendoodle art that I have done in a feather shape. So it's up to you how you want to make it. Or first you go with the black and white one. Okay, for practice you go for this black and white one. Later when you are confident you can go with the sketch pens and different colors. Okay, after these lines, I hope you guys are done with the lines. You have to put dots. If you are not confident with pen, you can first do with pencil. Okay. And if you are confident, you can directly start with the pen. See how the dots will be. If these two dots are there, then in between these two dots on the other parallel line, it will be in the center of these two dots. So it will be like this. I hope this pattern is clear. It's very easy, but it looks beautiful. Any doubt with this pattern? Okay, so I am now doing this on my main bookmark. I am keeping this here only so that you can see. Okay, and I'll be drawing here on my bookmark. with the pen. So you have to do the same thing on your bookmark with the pen. You can use any pen, okay, but gel pens go well. Gel pen gives a different effect.
Make sure you do not smudge it.
How many of you are doing it parallelly with me? Just give one thumbs up so that I'll know that you are not just watching but doing it actually. I want you guys to do this right now. Any doubts? If you have, you can just ping me in the comments, because that is only the way through which I can communicate with you right now. I know it's difficult because it's not face to face. I cannot see what you guys are doing. So I will not be able to know if you have any doubts. Only comments are the medium for me to know if you have any doubts. See, it has to be done very slowly, because if you don't do it properly, it will not look nice. This pattern has to be done with full concentration. Zendoodle art is also considered as a therapeutic art. It is used as a therapy to treat patients who are undergoing with stress. And right now, how the situations are, I know it's difficult to cope up with the stress. But if you keep doing any of your favorite activity, then you will feel better. And Zendoodle is definitely a calming therapeutic art, because I have myself made many of them. I'll show you at the end of the session. And I felt really relaxed after doing them. Okay, so this is our first block, which is completed with this Zendoodle pattern. Do you have any doubts? Right now I am not able to reply you in comments because I cannot touch my camera. It's hanging in the air. So I'll revert back in end to all the comments. I can just see your comments. Okay, now we have to make, if you have pen, then with pen only you can do this parting to separate the section. I'm using this bigger marker as I have it. Okay. Okay, now we'll go. Is it done, guys? We'll go to the next pattern now. This one. Can you see? I'll show you on a bigger paper how to do this. Here also, first I'm making a section where I can show you how it will be. Okay, fine. Here also you have to first divide it into multiple sections with parallel lines. Okay, so this way it will be, and see linings, as I am making with a bigger marker, my lesser linings are coming, but with a pen more linings will come. So that is not an issue, you just need to fill the section. Any doubts? What material is used for base? Paper. It's a simple paper. If you have like this watercolor paper, you can use this one. Else a simple chart paper or any thick paper is fine. Yes, you can use sketch pen also. It's fine. So this way, alternative box you have to fill with a square which is fully colored. Okay, this pattern you have to follow. I hope it is clear as I am showing you on a bigger paper. Now I will be doing it on the actual bookmark. Hope you guys are able to follow my instructions. If any doubt, please message. See, you have to be very careful when you make the lines with hand. If you are making it with a scale, it's fine. And as I have practiced it, my squares are coming in proper length. Otherwise, with scale also you can measure half centimeter and then place them. If you want, if you are not confident about your lines. Any doubts? It's so different when we take it online. God, I can't know what you guys are doing. Otherwise, it's so easy for me to see what you guys are doing, and if you are doing it wrong, I can correct you instantly. Guys, don't forget to post your completed art on a page, or if you are in the WhatsApp group, just forward it there. You have to be very careful where you have to place the colored box and where you have to place the lines. One mistake and the pattern will not look good. So that is the beauty of Zentangle art, that it does not let your mind wander in the thoughts. It keeps you here only. My daughter is here only. She is helping me and she is saying "Jada pakao mat." Are you guys bored? Wow. Hope you guys are able to do it. So we are almost done with the second part also. We'll move to the third part. Some call came in between. Random call. Okay, so we are done with the second pattern also.
इसमें तो वाह 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 लिखा है.
Now let's move to the third pattern. Just let me know if I need to wait for some time or I can move ahead. Just give me a thumbs up if you are done. Oh, hi. Jonathan is doing it. Cool. How about you, Fiona? You are doing it or not? Moms can also do this art. It's not that only kids have to do. Okay, I'm moving to the third pattern. You can complete it later. Okay? If you are not able to complete it with my pace, you can complete it later. Only thing is you should know how you have to do it. Now I am moving to the third pattern. It's very easy. You have to take the center of whatever pattern you have. Means I have like this, then here will be my center. Okay, and just with the scale you can mark if you are not confident, or else directly also. You just have to first, oh sorry, I'll do it with the marker so that you can see. Are you able to see? No? Okay. Now hope you will be able to see. Like this, partings from the center. Okay, so this way you have to mark the linings and then fill the alternate section. Okay. This is the easiest pattern. It will be done fast. Oops. See, now these two have come. So what you have to do in that case, just make one more line and fill it. Okay. So this one now I am going to do on the actual bookmark. This is my set. Can you see?
Just let me check.
Okay. Now just marking from the center. This is my first online session. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's a very different experience for me. And I guess many of you are also attending it for the first time. With me actually, not, I don't know about others. It's been 2 years for Creative Canvas, and such a long journey would have not been possible without awesome group of parents and kids. You guys have definitely helped me a lot in spreading a word. Till now I used to get lots of inquiries from other parts of my friends who stay in Bangalore, my relatives who stay in Rajasthan, that please conduct online session so that our kids can also learn from you. But it was like, I'll do one day, but I never knew when the one day will come. Finally that day has come due to this lockdown. So lockdown has some positive benefits also. It's not that it is having all the negative ones. Guys, you're doing parallelly with me, right? Don't just sit and watch, okay? It's of no use if you just watch. You'll get bored. You're not able to see? Oh, sorry. Okay. See, again we have to do it alternately, one by one. Oops, I guess I missed. So let's join this. Achha, I did not miss. That time this focus was not there, so I went to the camera. Okay, you are able to see, guys? Can you see the lovely pattern that has formed? Okay, we are done with this. just a simple technique where we have to take center and then mark lines and fill alternate sections. It's the easiest pattern. So now we'll move forward. If you are not done filling this, you can fill it later. Now we will do another easy one. Right now I'm not going with this pattern. I am going with one easy pattern which I have made in one of my another doodle art. This one. Okay. This one is having 3 lines sleeping and 3 lines standing. Can you see? So this pattern I'll show you on paper first. Suppose this is your patch where you have to make this pattern. So how you have to do? Just 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this way you have to fill your patch with this pattern. This is easier compared to that one. So right now I'm sticking to the ones which are easy, but I'll show you at the end the difficult ones also, if in case you want to learn them. Okay, so this way you have to fill. I'll do on the actual bookmark. Do you have any doubts, guys, with this pattern? Just ask if you are not able to follow. See, now this is having like this shape, so it is difficult for me to start that pattern this way. So what I'll do, I'll turn it like this, and here you can see that it has become a square. So according to your convenience, you can change the original way from where you are going to start. This is easy and everyone will be able to follow this. Guys, make sure you have the lines of same size. Don't change the size of the lines, otherwise the pattern will not look good. And you have to keep your hand very steady when you do this. And do it slowly so that the lines come proper. Any doubts? You guys are following right and doing parallelly. If you are not able to finish any of the section, it's fine. You can complete it later. Right now you have to just learn how to do it. Okay? Okay, so this section is also now completed. Done, guys. Let's do another pattern. This one. Can you see this? I'll show you how to do this one. Let me adjust where you can see properly. Okay. So now suppose this is my patch. You have to make parallel lines. Sorry, marker. Okay, and then you have to put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just fill the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, fill the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, fill the middle one. See, this I am doing with a marker, so it's coming very big. When you'll do with a pen, it will look like this. Hope you guys understood how it is. Don't go parallel to this. You have to leave the space and go to the, in the next parallel line you have to go next. Means if it is ending here, to thoda sa aage. Okay. Now I'll show you on the actual bookmark. Here. Okay, I'm keeping it here only so that you can see. Many of the parents have requested me to conduct an online class so that the kids can attend it and not get bored. And finally today, on 2nd anniversary of Creative Canvas, I took the courage and here I am. To do anything for the first time really requires lots of courage. Okay, now 3 lines and then we have to fill in the middle. 4 lines, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fill in the middle. This is also easy, not that tough. Okay, I have not taken tough ones because it will be like first art for you with Zentangle. So just covering the basic easy patterns. Can you see how I have left this space? This one is finished here, so I have gone little down and did it in the parallel line. Now leave this space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fill this. 1, 2, 3, 4, fill this. Any doubts, guys? You can use this bookmark yourself, or you can gift it to your friend, writing any quote here, or you leave a section here like this and write a happy birthday quote. If we use a handmade gifts, they are appreciated much more. And handmade is always special to whoever you gift. Only thing is, we require time to do it. One, two, three, four, and fill the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fill the middle one. Leave the gap. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, fill the middle one. Hope you guys are able to follow this pattern. Any doubts, then please comment. And you can come up with your own patterns also, okay? It's not that only this, you have to stick with this patterns. There are n number of patterns available in Zentangle, and whichever you find easy and interesting, you can go with that. It's so different experience when we do it online. It feels like we are doing it alone and talking to the walls. Otherwise, my workshops are so lively when people are around. Okay, we are done with this pattern. Which lines you are talking, Rashmi? Which lines in between? If you want to make lines here in between, then you can, but it's your choice. This one for me, it's done. It's looking nice. Okay, now let's go to the other pattern. This is also an easy one. This one I'll be showing you. Let me check the camera position. Okay, you guys are able to see, right? It's more or less used in Mehendi designs. Just draw semicircles and put like this parallel lines, put dots in the next section, again put parallel line. So this way you have to keep on repeating. Now I'll show you on the actual marker the same pattern. shifting it like this. You guys can see. Okay. Dot, line, then again semicircle and fill it with simple lines. Lines has to be perfect, straight, then again dots and again line. Sorry, semicircle. So like this, semicircles you have to keep on repeating. If you wish any of the other pattern of mehndi, that also you can include in this. Those who are interested doing mehndi art. They will know other patterns of mehndi. See, like this, slowly you have to put the lines so that they are straight. If they are not straight, they'll not look nice. Okay. Any doubts with this pattern? Okay, this is ready. Can you see? This is a easy pattern. Okay, just semicircles, linings, dots, alternate linings, dot, linings, dot. Okay, sorry, the camera has shaken. Okay, now we will do this zebra pattern. Can you see? We are gonna do this zebra pattern. I'll show you here, then I'll show you on the main page. Sorry, main bookmark. See how you have to do. You have to first put lines like this. It has to be crooked, not straight lines. This time you don't require straight lines. They will be little wavy. Okay. How they will be? Alternately forming conical shape. Okay. Wavy and forming conical shape. Now you have to color this conical shape. I hope this pattern is also clear. Just make conical shape parallel to each other. One will face right, other will face left. Again one will face right, other will face left. Okay. So this is the zebra pattern. Can you see this one? Any doubts, guys? This is what we are gonna do on our actual bookmark here. Okay, you'll be able to see. I have to place it. I'll begin it with this side. So you have to check where it is not very thick. Thin place you have to choose from your angle. So this is more of a leaf shape, so this doesn't have thick side. I'll choose this one. Okay, you can select according to your paper. Okay, I'm selecting this pattern because this is not having a thick place and it will not look nice on such a big place. So that is a little bit of our understanding that we have to use where we have to put which pattern. See, like this I am making conical shapes with wavy lines. One after the other will face right and then left. Okay, it doesn't has to be perfect wavy or perfect straight. You know, every zebra has different lines, geometrical lines. Not geometrical, means like this random lines. How we have our fingerprints, same way every zebra has unique lines, black and white lines. This I have read somewhere, so thought to share with you guys. See, now you have to fill this pattern. The triangles which you have made, you have to fill them. Fill them nicely so that none of the section is empty inside the triangle. It's so peaceful. No noise at all. Neither my kids are here to tell me, ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Okay, who wants to see this? I'm placing it here only. I'll show you this at the end, okay? Full, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, right now we'll complete these two blocks also. Can fill it faster with a sketch pen, but that has the chances of it coming out from the boundary, and we don't want that to happen, so I'm using this gel pen only Okay, like this, each and every part inside that triangle has to be filled. And suppose if it comes out, what you have to do ना, just cover that inside, उसको अंदर ले लो. It should not look that it is a mistake. Mistakes can happen, but it is up to us how we can cover it up. We only know about our mistakes. None of the other can judge what mistake we have made until it is visible. Visible, right? Ma'am, can you show the full paper? That I'll show later, okay? I'll show you after completing this patch only, okay? Not later. If you want, you can take a screenshot of that. Oh my god, it's so peaceful. I have never ever conducted workshop with so much of silence. I'm missing those noises actually. And outside also it's so peaceful. You can listen the chirping of the birds. Can you hear the chirping of the birds outside? Are you enjoying this, guys? Or getting bored? If you are not doing it along with me, then you might get bored. But if you are doing along with me, you will be busy doing this, and it's fun to do this. Okay, we are almost about to complete this patch also. See, that went outside, but now I have covered it inside. Essay like this, you have to just cover up if your stroke goes outside your outline. This art needs lots of patience. You have to have it. You can't do it randomly. Okay, done. So this one is also ready. I'll show you in a close-up. Thank you for the likes that you're showering. I can see them. Okay. Now let's move to this one. We will do this pattern now. It consists of triangles, and randomly we will be making some triangles which are filled. Okay, so I'll show you here. Okay, this I guess you can see now. This is our patch. suppose. Okay. Then randomly you just draw triangles, and few of them you have to fill and few of them you have to keep empty. Just make sure to cover all the space in between. There should be no blank space. You can make all the triangle in one go and later fill a few of them here and there. See, now this all triangles are completed. I'll fill a few of them here and there. Okay. We will do it on the main bookmark now. I'll do it here. Any doubts in this pattern? Just fill a few of them randomly, so it will give like this effect. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. Guys, if any of your this pattern is not completed, it's fine. Only the concept you understand right now, later you can complete them. No need to hurry, no need to mess it. Complete it afterwards, slowly. Okay, let's see. Wherever you find a space, just make random triangles. No need that it has to be perfect in right direction, left direction, nothing. This is easy, right? No need to worry how we have to place it. Just keep on placing in wherever you find the space. जहाँ जगह मिली वहाँ पर फिट कर दो. So easy, right? Bigger, smaller, doesn't matter, okay? But not make too much big, huh? ऐसा नहीं कि these are small, so you'll make something like this much big, okay? Little bit similar. Easy, right? Any doubts with this pattern, just message. See how the patterns are repeated, and this repetitive patterns actually helps in calming our mind. That's why this art comes under therapeutic art. Okay, so all my spaces are filled. Now I'll fill a few random triangles here and there. sorry. See, now little bit has come outside, so what I'll do, I'll cover it up. You have to be careful it doesn't come outside, but if it comes outside, just cover it up, as I said previously. Mistakes are bound to happen, but it's up to us how we can cover it. We should avoid them first in the first case, but if it happens, then we should know how to cover it up. See, don't fill too many, just see that at a particular place few of them are filled. It should not look like too much of them are black or too many of them are just blank. Okay, this is done, I guess. One more here in the corner, shall I fill? Okay. Fine, done. Now I am having one more patch. It depends on how many patches you have made. I'll show you more patterns if still more of your patches are empty. This is how it looks, the one which we have completed now. And who wanted to see that full, I'm showing it once more. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay, just swipe off the comments and take a screenshot. Okay, fine. Now we'll move to one more pattern. I am selecting it from a different one. We will be doing this one now. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. Suppose this is your patch. Okay, then you have to pick any of the corner and just take all the lines to that corner. Okay, like this. You can do it with a scale if you are not comfortable. Okay, then in one area you have to just mark lines, and in another you have to just make circle. Then line, then circle. Like this alternately you have to complete all the patterns. So it will look like this, and then hope it is clear, no doubts. Alternately we have to follow circles and curves, circle and curves. I am doing it on now my main bookmark. I take this corner only. You check it out that which is suitable for you. Okay, you have to pick up one corner from your patch. Suppose if this is my patch and I want to select this corner or this corner, see, this corner will look fine because all of them will come this side. This corner little bit smaller and bigger will come. So you have to judge according to your patch where it will look nice. For me, this corner is fine. Everything can go like this. Little bit of judgment you have to use because these are random patches created by us. Okay. They are not in symmetry. But the patterns that we are creating are same in a patch, in a particular patch. See, like this, I am taking all the lines to the center. You can do it with a scale if you wish. Now I have started with hands only. Mine are also not so proper. Okay. Try to make them like this equal. Mine, this one have two places it has come bigger. Let's see how it looks after we finish it. Now I'm making semicircles and then later I'll be making circles. Can you see? Oh, wait, let me check. Okay, just little tilted. Now you can see. Now circles. Circle will eventually become smaller as we go towards the corner. Okay. Now again semicircles. Again circles. Again semicircle. Try to make them parallel to each other, leaving the same size. If you do them fast, they will not come nice. So you have to do them slowly. Then only the beauty of that pattern will come. I am also a beginner in this art. Let me tell you frankly. So even mine are not so good. With practice, it comes. Okay. So the more you practice this art form, the more you will have grip on it. Actually, it builds our muscle memory. Once the muscle memory is built, then the patterns come properly. See, this part has become bigger, so even my circles are going to come bigger, but we will keep the pattern in mind and just continue. Can we do straight lines? Yes, you can do straight lines. Like this. Straight lines you can do without these dots, but make them little near, not so far. Okay. And you can later see, like this lines also you can do. I'll show you this. Ye dekho. Can you see? Here it's various different types of lines. Adjust the camera. Let's blur. 1 second. Okay. See, like this. Any of one single pattern also you can pick off lines. See, sleeping lines, or like this slanting lines, or V-shaped lines. That is also an easy pattern. Okay. If this is difficult for you, no worries. Okay. I'll show you little more patterns after I complete this. It's not that you have to follow only these patterns, You can come up with your own patterns also, or I'll show you a little more which you can include. So this patch is about to complete now. Okay, I'm done. Just give the finishing touches. Now let me mark the border of this bookmark, so it will give like this nice effect. Okay, if you are left like this for any quote, you can write that, or else you can write, if you are gifting happy birthday, happy anniversary, those who love books, some quote related to book. Take a scale and just mark the border of your bookmark. All the sides you have to mark a border. So this one is ready. Can you see? I'll cut this sides and I'll show you more patterns which you can add in your bookmark. See, you can keep it as it is, okay, or you can just poke a hole and put some thread. Both of them will look nice. Or if it is a rectangle, that is also fine. See here, if I wish to write some quote, I can write here also. Now I'll show you few more patterns. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask. I'm showing you more patterns. See, this one, you know, we have done triangles. There we have placed the triangles little far, but here all the triangles are placed joining each other, and what is done is just parallel lines are put to fill that. Okay, I'll show you this on the paper. This is a patch, okay, then just complete it with triangles. This is a little difficult pattern because you have to keep on adding triangles in triangle form only. Matlab, it can't go the other way round. We can make a rectangle. That's why I did not go for this pattern. And then just fill it. This is a bigger marker, so the lines are coming big. This is the way how we have to do this pattern. Okay? Like this you have to fill it. Then I'll show you another pattern. See, this one, can you see this one? It is having curves which are going inside. This curves can be a single curve or multiple curves. Okay, can you see? Like this, these are single curves. इसमें अगर आप if you add more circles, that will also look nice. I'll show you this simple one first. Suppose this one is your patch, then you have to make curves like this, okay, parallel to each other and then on top of each other. This is also an easy pattern. Okay guys, I hope this one is clear. Any doubts, then you can ask. And then this scales pattern, I guess many of you have seen in Mehendi. These are just curves forming one single scale and others embedded on top of them. I'll show you how to do this one also. See, this is my patch. Little zoom I'll do. Okay, so you can have you have to follow one single thing in mind. If you are placing 2 semicircles, go with 2 only. If you are placing 3 semicircles, then go with 3 only. So whichever you want to follow, you can go, you have to go with that only. It can be 1 2 3 4 5, that many, but every time you have to repeat that same pattern. And in this also there can be variation, like this is one pattern, I'm showing you one different one. Don't miss, this block will come with this pattern only, don't go with the other one that I'm showing you. Other one can be like this, where only the top one is filled. So this is one pattern, this is second pattern. Then another where you can just place the dots. As any of the combination you can use, okay, but whichever pattern you follow, that only you have to keep on repeating. 1 2 3, this is third one. So like this, any permutation and combination of these patterns you can follow, but only keep in mind, जो follow कर रहे हो, that only you keep on repeating in that patch. Okay, now one more I have here, this one. It is similar to the one that I showed you here, center, the one which we started from center. Here it varies because we did not fill it with black color, but we filled it with parallel lines, okay, and the alternate one we have filled with the dots. There we left it empty. I'll show you that also. Like this, parallel lines will come from the center, okay, in all the directions. Then one you have to fill with lines, other one with dots, lines, dots, lines, dots. So this one, I hope this one is also clear how you have to go with this pattern. Guys, you can follow any of this pattern. Another one simple pattern I have here is this circle pattern. Here lots of circles are there of various sizes, and every space in the patch is filled with circle only. Simple, but then also I'll show you how to do this. Just keep making circles, smaller, bigger, whatever size. In case if some of the space in between remains, later you can add the circle. This I am doing with the marker, so they are coming very big. When you'll do it with the pen, you will be able to find the space where you have to fill them. As a random circles you have to keep on placing of various sizes, bigger and smaller. Okay, so this will also form one pattern. Fill every place with circle. This is one pattern, okay, jahan only circles are filled. The second variation to this pattern can be you just fill the empty space between the circle. That will become the second pattern. Understood? So like this, we can vary a single pattern in multiple forms. जैसे this one we have varied, this one we have varied. Okay, you have to use your imagination little bit and see which one is suiting. First practice it on a rough page, and then you can go whichever suits you. See, that same scales one I have done with a single line, a single curve, and just filled it like this. All these patterns, now this you can do like this colorful also. In the heart shape doodle, which pen you have used, as it is looking nice. Okay, this one are gel pens. If I can show you, just wait a second. Okay, this one I have used. These are Octane Color Burst from Classmate. Okay, this comes in various colors. I'll show you how they are looking. You can take a screenshot if you wish. Octane Classmate. These are gel pens. And this is their tip. It looks like this only. Right now you can't find it, but later on you can just get it if you wish. Okay guys, do you have any doubts? Our bookmark is ready. You can take a screenshot of this and later you can practice it. I'm zooming it so that you can take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot of this. It's blur. Wait. Now thank you guys. Have you taken the screenshot? I'll place the other one also. This one and this one. All the three I have placed. Here you can write any quote, okay? This blank space you can use like this for writing a quote. Is it clear now? Sneha, is it clear now? Now you can see this colorful one also. This is a heart shape. And you can take this screenshot also and follow this checks pattern also, chess wala. This is very easy. Many times it is used in Mehendi. You want me to show this? For kids I'll show this, okay? See, like this you have to make parallel lines, okay, standing and sleeping both, and then just alternate boxes you have to fill with this black color. And if you are using color pens, you can fill it with color pens also. It's up to you. See, this way. And now one more is there, this feather. This one also is done with Zentangle art using color pens as well as sketch pens. So this was all about Zentangle art. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. It was fun working with you. Don't forget to send your pictures on the page. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining in. Bye.